Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Rosemary and in this video I'll be showing you how I made this lovely afro puff. If you are new here, please consider subscribing for more DIYs. I used a small donut from Clicks, a scissor and a crochet. I also used Sapphire Afro hair, the whole pack, and that is about 3 bundles. Please note that this is not the huge donut they use for wedding hairstyles. Please buy the small one. And this is the only color I found, although I now see the black ones when I go to Clicks or Discount, so the black one is there. I cut the ends on both sides to make it easier to separate the afro hair, so basically it's to reduce tangling. Per strand, I separated about 4 or 5 strands to make it easier to crochet and tie. So when I crochet the afro hair, I hold the hair in the middle, then twist in opposite directions, and then insert the hair inside the crochet, then close the crochet and pull. After inserting the hair on the donut, I tie the hair once because it will not be easy to unravel. What I've noticed is that the crochet hook is a bit thick, so you just have to be extra patient there. If you have the thinner one, you can use it, and that will be beneficial to you. The key here is to crochet the afro hair very close to each other so that the puff can be full or have volume. So when you reach the middle part, just keep on adding more hair very close to each other so that the hole can be closed or rather be hidden. And also you can just choose to increase the afro hair so that it looks more bulkier and have more volume. So here I'm just gonna cut the excess hair and shape the puff. I will not cut a lot because I still want my afro to be huge, you know. The good thing about this afro hair is that it's not too long to collide with your clothes, meaning that it's gonna last longer. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share with our fellow sisters so that we can help them. As you can see right here, I will see you on the next one. Bye.